are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. In today's video, I'm bringing to you a very budget-friendly Dollar Tree wreath. We're gonna be using Snowball Deco mesh. It's the only mesh I recommend you buy from the Dollar Tree because it doesn't fray, and I think it's still good value even though there's a obvious price increase. I know we are so annoyed. It's gonna be a cute one for the winter. You can enjoy it the whole season past Christmas. And there's gonna be a special cherry on top. Watch through the end. If you like budget-friendly videos, making beautiful things on the budget, this is a channel for you. Go ahead, press the subscribe button and become my bestie. Today's video is part of the winter wreath-a-thon. So when you are done watching this video, go ahead, hit on the playlist down below and continue watching for 5 more winter wreath ideas. How exciting, right? You are going to need 6 rolls of the Dollar Tree snowball mesh, 14-inch wreath ring, and 18 pipe cleaners. You are going to fold your pipe cleaners in half and cut them. Next, we are going to cut all the mesh, and you can use a piece of cardboard 8 inches wide. Just roll it up and cut on both ends. Next step is optional. My friend gave me this tulle ribbon from Walmart. It's actually similar texture to the snowball mesh, but it comes with the snowflakes. I think it will be real pretty, so I'm gonna cut it same width and use it in my wreath as well, but you don't really need this. Next, we are going to cut some ribbon. These two are from Walmart. We are going to cut these a little bit longer, 9 inches long. All right, so we have 6 pieces of each ribbon, 1 roll of the snowflake tulle, and 6 rolls snowball mesh, and 18 pipe cleaners cut in half. Here is our wreath ring. Comes with 6 sections, 4 rails. We are going to make bundles and attach them to the middle two. And this is how we are going to make the bundles. You are going to fold in the opposite corners to the center, and then walk your fingers across and pinch in the middle. Just like this. Make little bow ties. Clip it, and let's make another one. Fold in the opposite corners to the center, pinch, walk your fingers across, make a bow tie, crisscross them, and use a pipe cleaner to tie them together. Okay, we got the first bundle done, and now we are going to repeat and just make different variations of these bundles. So we had the first one just blue, and the second one we are going to layer on top of the blue with some snowflakes. Looks pretty, right? It's a little bit thicker, but oh my goodness, looks so pretty. Crisscross and tie together. Okay, we got 2 types, and now we are going to make one with a ribbon. Simply add a ribbon in the center and tie the bundle together. Okay, we got 3 types, and now we are going to make the next one with a different type of ribbon. That's 4, and we are going to make 2 more plain ones. So we have a total of 6 bundles. And let's put together a pattern. Ribbon plain, snowflake plain, ribbon plain. We are going to tie these to the middle 2 rails. Put your bundle on those 2 rails and simply twist tie it in the back. Okay, we are going to repeat and attach all of them. All right, as you can see, 6 bundles is just enough to fill in 1 section. It's easier to see from the back. You can just count your pipe cleaners if you lose track. So we got 1 section filled and we have 5 more to go. We are going to repeat this all the way around. All right, halfway done. And full. Look how pretty. Doesn't it scream winter and snowflakes? I love it. So pretty. So much dimension, right? Excuse me, are you my bestie yet? Go ahead, log into Google so you could press the subscribe button and become my bestie. I know it takes a little bit of effort, but for me, it takes quite a lot of effort too to put these videos together for you. I do it all out of love for free. So I hope you're gonna log in, subscribe to my channel, become my bestie, and that way we're gonna be in touch. There's more videos coming up, so great value for you, okay? Let's continue. There's never enough snowflakes. How about some snowflake lights from the Dollar Tree? And here's my lifesaver, a small screwdriver set from the Dollar Tree. It's so handy when you need to change the batteries, open up those little battery packs. Once I add the batteries, I glue the battery pack to the back of the Wreath and reinforce it with the zip tie. And next we are going to thread the lights in a zigzag pattern. 1 snowflake above the rails, 1 underneath, and all the way around. And the lights will stay there in between the bundles. You can just fluff it up a little bit because we squished it face down. The fun part of decorating the wreath. I have this cute snowman sign that I like to attach, but his scarf is so red, so I painted it with Mod Podge and sprinkled with some snowflakes, glitter, so it tones it down a bit. I don't want any red in my color palette, but I know it would make a cute wreath too. In addition, I have these pretty snowflakes from the Dollar Tree, and also how adorable are these icicles. I had glue a floral wire in the back of the sign to attach like little ties. And I'm going to use also that rope hanger from the top. I'm going to just tie it to one of the rails up there. And I have a visitor. My bestie just came and brought two cute little trees to attach to the wreath. Isn't that a perfect color? These are from the Dollar Tree, and I'm making a wreath for her granddaughters, a special order. Okay, we pulled off those wooden stands, and we are going to glue these on both sides of the sign, diagonally across from each other. And now the snowflakes and the opposite two corners. I'm gluing them to the sign and at the bottom to the mesh, and my bestie is helping me lift up the sign to insert them and also press it down until they stay in place. Oh my goodness, they blend in. Can you see them? Right here and right there at the top. So pretty. And now the icicles. We have 12, so 6 sections, 2 per section. We can spread them evenly around the wreath. And then, once you like how it looks, glue them. These are from Shopper's World. But Dollar Tree also sells icicles, clear ones though. I think clear would also look pretty. These icicles add some drama to the wreath, don't they? I love it, something different. You know me, I like to add something little extra to my wreath, so little snowflakes, gems, always make things prettier, right? You know how Dollar Tree sells these foam balls scattered? I don't have it in blue, but I have these little picks where we can pull these off from. But yeah, a little bit scattered here and there. I think it also gives a little bit more interest dimension. I am making this with 2 little girls in mind, so I want to make it real special and interesting for them to look at. And finally, our cherry on top will be these adorable little frozen toys from the Dollar Tree. The 2 little girls, sisters, are big Frozen fans, so I know it will make their day. And I simply had glue the characters around the sign. Let it go, let it snow. It's YouTube's fault that I have to torture you with my voice because, you know, with all the copyrights and everything, I can't use a beautiful song. I'm sorry. All right, we are done. Take a look at the final result and leave me some snowflake emojis. I think these smiling faces say it all. Thank you so much for watching, my besties. Now click on the playlist down below and continue watching. See you next time. Bye bye.